Introducing Aerial Drone Competition Pro. The REC Foundation is excited to announce Mission 2026-2027 Off-Grid. In this multimodal competition, you'll step into the role of a high-tech first responder, using drones and robots to simulate hacking response missions at a nuclear power plant. The competition mirrors real-world scenarios, demanding teamwork, critical thinking, and innovation to overcome mission challenges. Off-Grid features 4 missions for teams to complete in teamwork, piloting skills, autonomous skills, and communications. Teamwork mission. In Off the Grid, alliances step into the role of an elite cybersecurity hacker victim response unit. Your mission: respond to a simulated cyber attack before your rivals beat you to it. Played on a 20-foot by 20-foot divided competition field by 2 alliances, one red and one blue, made up of 2 teams each. Teams work collaboratively with their alliance partners in the 2-minute matches to score as many points as possible. In the teamwork match, teams will coordinate with their alliance partner to deploy your repair drone to prime the pumps, restoring coolant flow to the damaged reactor systems, and use their ground support vehicles to transport irradiated fuel into the cooling pools so that the drones can safely dispose of the fuel into the alliance's goal across the divided field, ensuring containment is complete. Drones will collaborate with their ground support vehicles to store power cells in the supply station and attempt to re-establish communications with the plant operators by carefully placing a power cell on the comms tower drop zone. As the match nears the end, teams will try to make their way to the recovery pads to safely park their ground support vehicles and dock their drones. You're not alone. A rival alliance is competing against you and may interfere with your progress in restoring the power grid by priming the pumps and moving fuel back to your side. Every second counts. Only the most efficient and coordinated alliance will succeed in bringing the grid back online and secure victory. Piloting skills mission. In each piloting skills match, teams demonstrate their ability to navigate the power plant with speed, accuracy, and control. The mission: manually pilot the drone to complete a full inspection of critical systems while working in perfect sync with your ground support vehicle. Teams will determine their most efficient pathways through the panels, keyhole gates, and arches in the 1-minute match. During the plant inspection, your team discovers a contaminated canister and will need to carefully coordinate efforts between the ground support vehicle and drone to move it into one of the 3 decontamination zones. The farther the zone, the higher the score. After completing all inspection objectives, teams will rally their ground support vehicle and drone to the containment bay for extraction. Teams earn points by parking their vehicle and docking their drone. Finish the job before the 1-minute mark and you'll earn valuable bonus points for an early mission completion. Autonomous skills mission. In each autonomous skills match, teams will put their programming to the ultimate test, tasking their drone and ground support vehicle to complete a full plant inspection without direct pilot control in the 1-minute match. To assist with navigating your robot, teams can utilize AI vision sensors to detect April tags placed around the field. Teams will identify the hidden hazard markers located on the multicolor pads. These coded signals are placed where pilots have no direct line of sight, testing your drone's ability to detect and relay critical safety data. During the autonomous skills match, teams can reset their drones and robots to launch multiple programs, giving them the opportunity to adapt, refine, and push toward completing every inspection task. Mission success depends on your code. Every command, every movement, every second matters. Prove your team can execute with precision and bring the plant one step closer to full recovery. Communications mission. At every event, judges meet with teams to learn about their design process, coding skills, and drone knowledge through team interviews and a review of their competition notebooks. Based on these evaluations, judges determine which teams will earn awards. Off-Grid, restore the power, outpace your rivals, and prove you have what it takes to win. We are excited to see your team in action at an upcoming ADC Pro competition. To learn more about ADC Pro and read the official rules of Mission 2026-2027 Off-Grid, visit drones.recf.org. Good luck, and we'll see you on the competition field soon.